Finally, we are in Turkey. This is what you see when you get from Greece to Turkey. Well, it's not so beautiful. We're gonna cycle 1,800 kilometers through Turkey, from Istanbul to 𝘬𝘭𝘪𝘮𝘮. It's not every day you do this. He passed me. Now you see this lane? This lane is for tractors and cyclists. And they all honk. This is the beautiful view I wake up to. Dogs. They're everywhere. The most amazing kebab thing yesterday. In euros, how much was it? It was €4 for all of this. I never thought it to be true. A bicycling path in Turkey, what? I want to sniff the piss. Just playing the guitar. Casual, 2 hands, books. Oh, I like this one. We can't access Wikipedia in Turkey. No. The day you see a guy caught in the middle of a highway cleaning a lemon, that day I've seen it all. And here's an airplane. It's a Boeing cafe. Wow. They have a cafe inside of a Boeing. Who could have guessed? And now we're down at sea level. Ah! We climbed so many of these already. It's ridiculous. We're at sea level again. It's like the 4th time today. And we climb up 50, 60, 70 meters and then all the way down again. Not okay. Oh, here's a... Oh. From the countryside to this. Oh. So we put up our tent here. And I think it's like some sort of camping place. We asked if we could stay here. And then he said, okay, you can stay up there with the dogs. No, it does not happen over there. Unless I do this. What if I head back?
You're a nice doggy? A nice doggy dog.
It's 8:30. Like 20 minutes ago, the owner of the camping site or whatever it was, he came up to us and he started like talking in Turkish, and I'm like, I don't understand you. And then I looked in his belt lining and I'm like, dude, you wearing a gun? I pointed at it. I'm like, why? And he said something about police, and I'm like, okay, so you're a former police. Okay. We're going to Istanbul! Istanbul! Wow. Hey! High five, high five, high five. Wait! Hey! What fun! What the fuck? Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. Short so I don't hit you. Hello. Hello. Nej, inte det. Thank you. Wow. Somebody once told me. Exact same thing happened to me 2 days ago. You're not the biggest dog I've ever seen. Oh, it was like 100 kilos. We got invited for tea. Look. We just cycled by the road and they just screamed at us and wanted us to come in and just invited us for tea. I just got a flat. Let's see what this is. This is fun. I haven't had a flat since 3,000 kilometers. That's insane. I don't know who goes first in the roundabouts in Turkey. It's the one with the most balls. Yes, it is. And I have a cop behind me. 2 police officers. I think I was in the way for them. Sorry about that, Turkish police officers. Isn't this exactly what you want when you cycle? No, I'll tell you, it's not what I want. I want clear blue skies and sunshine. I'm cycling on sunshine, and it's time to feel good. Happy faces. Doggy. The dogs in Turkey are so much nicer than in Greece. This is the real shit. Maybe we'll hit some snow today. Emotions overload. Because I haven't never cycled in snow. This guy just stopped us and he wants to say something. His son speaks English. Hi. Yeah, I've eaten like 10 times. I love the Turkish kebab. Climbing, climbing, climbing until you see this. Snow. It's really cold now. Only this last 100 meters dropped 4 or 5 degrees. It's really cold. No, it's not that cold. I'm a Viking. Wow. I'm so close to crying. Marcus.
Marcus.
You?
Polat.
Polat?
Ardahan.
Ardahan?
Gözde.
Gözde. Ah. We made really good friends here in the small mountain town in Turkey. And apparently, since you know you're on the road and all of that, for centuries people have been sleeping in mosques if they're on the road. But nowadays people are not as nice as they were like 50 years ago, so they always steal stuff.
Odun getiriyorum ben.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, do you need help?
Odun getireceğim.
Should I help you? Okay. They're carrying firewood for us, so I'm gonna help you.
Evden odun getirip geleceğim ben.
Down there? Okay. We don't understand each other at all, but
Çok güzel.
yeah, it's for da microphone.
Bak sıra.
Microphone, camera. So it's for the audio, yeah? So nowadays people usually they're not allowed to sleep in the mosque unless you're on the countryside. Like in Istanbul, no, I don't think so. They close the mosque in the night. But here it's always open. What are you doing? What are you doing? What is that?
Kapalı.
What is that? Huh?
Kapalı. Şeyden alayım ben. Buradan mı?
We went to get some firewood and we're in the mosque now. It's snowing outside now. It's snowing? Yeah.